Now, today's event goes back to about the mid-1950s. Prabhupada had a dream that Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati said that he should take sannyas. And he said, that's not possible. This has been narrated by the late Sridhar Swami. So a little while later, he had another dream when Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati said the same thing, that he should take sannyas. So he was very disturbed about it, that he had two dreams like this. So then he decided to take sannyas. And in the middle of the night, he kind of left his situation, his home, without any money, without any clothes, without any food, and he just departed. And this was against the direction of his godbrother, Sridhar Swami, the late Sridhar Swami, who wanted him to take Bahudak, and just, he had a relation, Sridhar Swami had a relationship with the Day family, so he didn't want this to disturb them. But it happened anyway. And that's the story of how Prabhupada renounced his family life. And then later he actually formally took sannyas from Keshava Swami. That was 1959. Hare Krishna.